So uthi Elijah qala ngami lo mningi sizabuya sibone. Then the day Elijah ahamba release this kind of grace we are talking about. Uthi Elijah until kuze kuna imvula lo flower lo sele tukwelidziwo lakho angeke usuphele. Lamafutha la sele angeke aze aphele. Not ukuthi Elijah uthi angeke kuphele impuphu ekhaya lakho. But uthi angeke kuphele impuphu until kuna imvula. Not ukuthi forever, no, until kuna imvula. Angeke tihlahla kuphelelwe kudla until kuba khona lathola umsebenzi. That's what he's saying. Angeke lokulotincike kuko ukuthi uyophila ngako kuphele until kuba khona loqashwayo. That's why uyalithola ekhaya lina 17 bantu bangasebenzi but still bahlala basuthe bangafi. Because there is grace legcina umuntu lode. There is grace leniketa umuntu kudla noma eke imali ethele. There is grace leniketa umuntu timbahla noma eke imali yegqoka. That's why I always say to people, nesikhathi se-COVID kwafa bantwana betinjinga basala abantu labaswele njengathi. Because kune grace legcina nemuntu lahluleka kwenta medical aid. Njona kwathi ukuthi ugcine nini ukugula. Hallelujah. There is this grace. So uthi Elijah angeke kuze kuphele lo until imvula ina. There is this grace. Lengifuna uyi-acknowledge namuhla. BekuNkulunkulu la